video to help practice with Old Macdonald, the melody part on page 46. I'm going to turn my metronome on to practice, and this beat represents my quarter note, so it's 1, 2, 1, 2. Now if I subdivide it, the eighth note will sound like this, and counting it like this. 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and. Furthermore, the 16th notes will be counted and clapped like so. 1 E and 2 E and 1 E and 2 E and. Okay, so let's begin from the beginning and play the piece all the way to the end, following this beat and tempo. Let's start after 2 bars of counting 2 beats per bar. Here we go. 1 and 2 and 2 and 2 and.